Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, today I'm going to show you how to get away with the cheapest and the easiest pineapple upside down cake. Alright, and this is my little bit of ingredients here, guys. First thing, this is the secret. I'm gonna use this Compliment yellow cake mix. You can use maybe the white one, the Blanche, from the Dollar Tree or the dollar store, or if it's cheap, I just pay like dollar something for this one, you can get that one. All right, you need a cup of brown sugar, you need some pineapple slices, 3 eggs, and 3/4 cup of coconut oil. I'm gonna put a little bit of lime juice. I'm gonna use a little bit of vanilla. I'm gonna use some of these pineapple chunks. I'm gonna blend it up a little bit. You can use the juice or you can put the chunks in it. I'm gonna break my eggs because I love to take the whites out, and I'm gonna come right back. So my peeps, this is what I call the whites. It's a chalaza. This is the part that make your cake raw. So I always look for this part and I take it out. All right guys, now I'm gonna add my eggs and my oil. Will do a little bit of vanilla, about a teaspoon of lemon or lime juice to take away the rawness from the egg. So this is it with the juice and all. I'm just gonna like rough blend it up a little bit. All right guys, so this is it. Instead of adding water, because you need some water or milk to this, I'm just gonna add a cup of this. Gonna give me the pineapple flavor, and I'm gonna pour all of that goodness in. I didn't strain it, I let it be chunky a little bit, and then I'm gonna combine all of this goodness together, guys. Yes, and the next ingredient, I'm gonna put my cake mix in. And this is it, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit at a time, half first, and then I add the next half after. All right guys, once you mix it enough, I don't want to over mix it. Now we're going to move on to the next part. I have my pineapple and my mixture right here. Now I have this small size baking pan, and now I cut piece of this wax paper and I'm going to just set it in the bottom. And now I'm going to sprinkle the sugar in. Now I have a little bit of coconut oil, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit over it. You can use butter if you want, guys, but I don't want too much of the grease, so I'm going for my coconut oil. Now, once it covered to your liking, you're gonna go in with your pineapple slice and you're gonna set as much as it can hold in the bottom. I think I might do 4. And now I'm gonna get me some cherries and I'm gonna put some in. That's it right there. Now I'm gonna add some of my mixture to it. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna pop it in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes or until it's done. When you insert a toothpick and there's no more water or liquid in it, then it's baked. All right, guys, I'm gonna pop this in the oven and then I'm gonna come back. The muffins are done. I'm just gonna leave the cake for 5 minutes just to soak, and then I'm gonna cool them down and then I'm gonna show you. So there it is, it's almost done. All right, my peeps, so this is the single one. My son had the other two and this is the upside down cake. Look how juicy it is, guys. I took the top off, but it's so hot and I don't want it to break up, so I'm gonna let it cool and then I'm gonna remove the sides. This is the best pineapple upside down cake you can get away with for cheap. All right, guys. Yes. Things are looking good. All right, my peeps, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. Put God first. I cut a little piece. There is it right there, guys. It's moist and delicious. Bye, guys. One love and be blessed.